we got a snook. We got a snook on. Didn't even turn the camera on for this. Stupid. But we got him anyway. Ooh, he's a good one. He's a good snook. All right. Or a jack or something, maybe. He's pulling like a jack, but I think that's a snook. Last time I was here, that's what I got. Some nice snooks. Oh, he's a good snook. He thumped it like a snook, too. Ooh, he's tearing that drag. Come here, baby. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Oh yeah, that's a snook for sure. Oh, they are here. Oh, he's gonna peel it. Look at him go. Oh yeah. Oh, I got plenty of drag for you, bud. There he is. Come on. Come this way, bud. Come on this way, bud. Come on this way. You guys get anything tonight? Catfish? This ain't no catfish. That's a good snook. I believe it's a good snook for sure. He's fighting like a big snook too. He's fighting like a real big snook. About pulled me out of here. Don't get off there, bud. Don't you get off there. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, buddy. Come on. Oh, he's wearing my arms out. Whew. Oh, he's good size. Oh, he's real good size. Do you guys have a net? No net? Would you do me a favor? Would you reel that line in for me? Because I know I'm gonna get all tangled when I get over here. Wow. Yeah, he's a big one, huh? Oh God, almost fell. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Oh, that's a monster, baby. That's a big old girl right there.
Take the best. Oh, you need to shut down your...
Oh, sure.
No. Wait.
That's a big snook right there.
It's awesome!
Ooh, that's gotta be 30, 33, 34.